Hey guys, my name is Zaya. I am a professional detailer with over 5+ years worth of experience, co-founder of 48 Detailing and Torque Detailing product expert. In today's video, we have this filthy Kia Rio in for a much needed cleanup, but more importantly, some bird poop removal. Now, bird poop is just one of those unique issues that need to be addressed on your vehicle quickly. Reason being, number one, it looks nasty, and number two, if left on your vehicle too long or cleaned improperly, can cause major and permanent damage to your vehicle's finish, and this is even more so true to vehicles with little to no protection.
Bird poop is a double whammy because it contains both uric acid and sharp grains from birds' diets. The uric acid, if left on too long, can eat away at your clear coat, leaving behind ugly etchings, and the rough grains from birds' diets can scratch your paint if cleaned off improperly. This Dodge Challenger is a perfect example of what damage bird poop can do to multiple surfaces across your vehicle, including vinyl, paint, and plastics.
Lucky for us, there are plenty of easy ways to go ahead and remove nasty bird poop like this from your car, whether you're at home or on the go.
The first option if you're at home and your car is filthy is to perform a full 2-bucket hand wash. Make sure to rinse off as much bird poop and gunk from the vehicle with your garden hose or pressure washer prior to washing the vehicle. A 2-bucket hand wash is a great option because the water helps loosen the bird poop and surrounding dirt, while the soap provides the proper lubrication and cleaning power to safely clean your paint and neutralize the bird poop acid. If you want to learn how to properly wash your car with a 2-bucket wash method, check the link below in the description.
Now let's say your car is sparkling clean like our customer's Cadillac over here, and then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, a bird bomb strikes. The last thing you want to do is wash your car again.
So instead of grabbing your bucket and soap, just grab your garden hose to soften and rinse away as much of the bird poop as possible. If you have any remnants of bird poop left, pressurized air is a great option to blow them away, or using a moist microfiber towel to gently wipe the remaining bird poop can make do as well.
Now you're probably asking, why can't we use method 2 on a super dirty car? Well, first of all, if your car is super dirty and has bird poop on it, it's most likely dried on the surface and is going to need a lot more cleaning power than just running water. And number two, the last thing you want to do is rinse off that bird poop and then dry it off with a microfiber towel, rubbing all that dirt and contamination around the bird poop on your paint, causing more micro scratching. Now, our last and final method are for the people who are always on the go or individuals who have no access to running water. All you're gonna need is a bottle of quick detailer like Torque Details, Turbo Waterless Detailer, and a couple of microfiber towels. You can find both of these products, links in the description below, and make sure to use coupon code YouTube for 15% off of your first purchase. This is the easiest and most convenient way to go ahead and properly remove bird poop from your vehicle.
All you gotta do is get up close and personal with the bird poop and spray your Turbo Waterless Detailer. The Waterless Detailer's lubricants and cleaners will help break down the bird poop, and the pressure from your spray bottle will help loosen it up even more. If the bird poop is dried on the paint, give the Waterless Detailer a few minutes to absorb and soften everything up. Any excess waterless detailer can be wiped away with a microfiber towel. Now, if the pressure and cleaners did not clear everything up the first time around, just repeat the process and make sure to use a damp microfiber towel to pick up any leftover bird poop to prevent micro marring and scratching.
And finally, guys, the last thing we have to do is go ahead and add some protection back to your vehicle's paint. Now remember, when that bird poop was on your vehicle, it was eating away at any protection on your car if there was any to begin with. I recommend using Torque Details Ceramic Shine, a super easy to use DIY ceramic coating that's gonna go ahead and add an amazing shine to your paint and make it super easy to clean off bird poop and any other contamination later in the future. It's as easy as spray on, buff off, and enjoy that high gloss shine and up to a year's worth of ceramic protection.
Like I said before, guys, Torque Details Ceramic Shine is a super easy to use DIY ceramic coating that can be used on multiple surfaces like glass, paint, headlights, and even chrome. All you gotta do is spray the solution on the surface section by section, buff in with a microfiber towel, and then buff off to a high gloss shine. Not only does it look awesome, but it also adds the protection your car needs and makes it super easy to clean bird poop off your vehicle in the future.
All right, guys, I really appreciate you all watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you learned anything at all today. And if you're interested in purchasing any of our recommended products, check out the link in the description below. Besides that, if you have any questions, let us know and have a great rest of the day.